accidentally bought an app or subscription on your iPhone? Don't worry. Here's how to cancel it and request a refund. Save your money and stay in control. First, open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then, tap Subscriptions. From the list, select the one you want to cancel. For example, Disney Plus. Tap Cancel Subscription. Then, Confirm. This stops future charges, but it won't refund the payment you already made. To request a refund, open Safari or any browser and go to Report a Problem at yog.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and from the drop-down menu, choose I'd like to request a refund. Then select the reason, like I didn't mean to purchase this, and tap Next. Now choose the app or subscription from the list and tap Submit. Refunds usually arrive within 24 hours, especially if it's your first time or an accidental charge. That's it. You've cancelled your subscription and requested your money back. Easy and stress-free. Subscribe for more iPhone tips and money-saving tricks.